Miko Gerard. Jeffrey Mike. Miko, ang dami kamay, humaba! 3-point shots. Nugent by CJ. Percy's out here in the second half. Here it goes. Percy's out here in the second half. Here it goes. Down. 3 points. Nugget. Rebound. Ken Sanchez. Slicing the down to shoot. Nasa naman gagawin niya dito. Nakakalus sa field. And action. Battle from the keeper for the jumble possession. Personal possession matatanggap dito ng ating Tikas Kamambangan, the #1 rank ng ating round robin series. And here comes the signature hook shot para dito kay the baby captain Hook Nicholas Santos. Get the first basket. Here go now for the first attack naman dito ng ating Pampanga Ballers from left. Levi de la Cruz, piso lang. MS by Jarek Punyan. Offensive rebound sa ilalim dyan. And I pulled the trap. James Miguel agad for that 3-point shots on de la Cruz. Agaw bola para kay Levi de la Cruz on the round bounce pass. And the result, the stop about half. The basketball. Cristiano Jaribe. Number 22 to Kid Lucky gets the lead. Ball out on his hand, recovered. Back for the Pampanga Ballers from neck. That unstoppable! Sa ating Tikas Kamambangan, Miko. First to the pin Rodney. Amat mo sa kanto, sabay pingin sa gana. Papat Miko, ang dami kamay, humaba! Or B, Comnet, Richard Bridges is the still. Again, landing the crossover. Whoa! That puts the last line so cold. And the 3-pointers, lead it power! That was Richard Bridges from the Mavs. Ang ganda ng buhok mo, Richard, ha? Parang ang pudel. 40 down, jump up. 10 down, jump up. Bounce by West Victoria. Challenging by Mr. Red. Richard down. Escape. Nakatakas. Ito si West Victoria. Kung nasa ko kayo sa'yo. Ito si Richard Bridges. 6 minutes on the game clock here in the first quarter. 15 down, down for Craig. Back for the Pampanga Ballers from Lake. Bridges Alonso. Oh, but terrible, the point guard. Number 8 is Stopman Pogba. From downtown, Nico Santos in and out. Ano? That was a 3. Oh, Jaribe. 3 on the shot clock. Miko Gerard. Basket yun. 13-17 now is the official score. Bounce inside. Bridges open. Yeah. Yes. On Kobe. Nasundot. Check ball. Drop pass. Alam mo nang may halimaw sa haka. Pinasukan mo ba? Number 3. Exactly on the pick. Janet Pugan. Challenged by First is good. And here comes Jeffrey Marcus. Blocked by Ochanico. And now back on Ochanico. Janet Pugan to Memphis. Mamadou. Duquesne. Paul. Bam. You're back for the team is speeding away. Thomas. Miss Badlays. Offensive rebound. Rams. Victoria. Turning down Zomba. Five down. 3-point shots. Rebound from the Tikas Kapampangan. Here comes Lancer Khan to stop and pump on the board. Basketball interference. Nagkaw na tayo po tayo ng distract tayo. 40 down shot clock. Down shot clock. Christian Alonso. Halftime basket for two. 3-point shots. Nugget by CJ. It's a steal. Here comes the kid lifting. Flag down. Nice by the Chinook. Kanya. Pass to Jeffrey. Jeffrey C. Down to 10. Ball back drop. For the Tikas Kapampangan, Kid Lightning, 10 down shot clock. Or rather, game clock na lang. Kid Lightning, tag out the shot from game clock west. Get back scoop. First attack here in the second half. Here it comes. That's not back. Mutiaga, Ochanico. 41-36. One opening here in the second half of this run. Now from the outside by the Cromer Digger. Richard Benches. Bill, the Kid Lightning. Mamadou, pass to CJ. Kanya, 3-point shot on CJ Kanya. Jerry Pagyan, it's over baseline. Find the receiver to Kid Escalilla. 5 down, 3 points. Negative. Rebound. This is the Camp Lightning. Camp Lightning drive. Let's get break it down. Flex up. Camp Lightning. Ochanico. Lancer Khan. 9 down, show up, take speed, race Victoria, power up the champ. 13 down on the show up, champ. Nice to Richard Baptist, now to CJ Kanya. Rainier Gomez on the lead against Ken Sanchez, slicing the lead. Your minutes on the game of third quarter. The reverse from Portugal, Christian Alonso, turning down. 10 down, Songla, Miko Santos, tumira ng 3. The bonus. Check the time. HR pass to seconds to beat the buzzer. Nico Beppe. Nico kailangan yan. 3-point shot. Now the Reds. Victoria. Binagdag yung depensa sa ilaw. Reds Victoria. Let's step on Richard Baptist. And I turn the ball out. Roll over. Kid Lightning, he hit the ground. The Reds Victoria, 9 on the shot clock. Kid Lightning, roll screen by Richard Baptist. Announce of the Boulder. Offensive rebound. Recovered by the Kid Lightning. Estalina Levin. Drive back up. 67-64. Grabing labanan dito sa Valdez. 10 down, short block. Baptist bounce to Richard Baptist.2 minutes. Substitution on David de la Cruz. 13 down, shot clock. Bounce to CJ Ganya. Straight ahead. 5 na mado. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Round one one. CJ Ganya. Now return by the back. Naka, zero na to. Referee, zero na to. Hindi na. Zero na to. The 3 points to Captain. 15 down. Exactly 1 minute on the play clock. 10 down on the shoulder. As a Christian Alonso. 5 down on the shoulder. Substitution. Substitution ang binigay. 79 to 76. Wala pa. Yan na. Go! 35 seconds. Check. Lancer open from the top of the tee. Look at all rebound. Joker from the Tigres. Pedro. Alonso. 10 down on the shoulder. And an isolation. Para dito kayo unstoppable. 5 down. No on 3. Look at from the bar. On to Tigre. Still on keep lightning down to Lancer Khan. 5 down to shoot. Lancer ang magagawin niya dito. Nakakalusot ka. Breaking down. Turning down, shot clock down there. Here comes the King Dwight Nahige. Pass to Santos. Hit shot. Almost down on the floor. Remember, Packers to 3 points once again. set up. Tignan natin ano uling play ang gagawin dito. Santos, ball pick, drop, hook, play ball on. Nico Santos, breaking down. Other pass. Get lightning! Oh, hindi mo mautakan. Sabi na get lightning. Malaki ka. 10 down on the short clock. Now for Fabian.